Slip gauges are precision tools. They are very smooth blocks of steel. They measure very small distances. Think of them like very accurate rulers. We need accurate measurements for many things. For example, we need them to make cars. Slip gauges help us make sure parts fit together. This makes machines work better and last longer. A slip gauge set has many blocks. Each block has a specific size. They are marked in very small units like millimeters. You combine blocks to get the exact length you need. Slip gauges are made to be very accurate. They are calibrated to national standards. This means their measurements are always correct. This is important for reliable results in experiments. Section 5. Setting up the slip gauge experiment. First, you need a clean, flat surface. This is where you will arrange your slip gauges. You also need an object to measure. This could be a small part or a gap between objects. Section 6. Step-by-step procedure for measurement. Select the slip gauges you need. Slide them together carefully. They should stick together by suction. Now, compare the combined length to the object. Section 7. Safety precautions during handling. Always handle slip gauges with clean hands. Do not drop them, as this can damage them. After use, clean them with a soft cloth. Store them in their protective case when not in use. Section 8. Practical applications in various industries. Slip gauges are used in many industries. They are used in manufacturing, engineering, and science. For example, they are used to check the size of engine parts. They help ensure that everything fits together perfectly. Section 9. Conclusion, importance, and relevance. Slip gauges are essential tools for precision measurement. They help us make accurate measurements for many applications. By understanding how to use them, we can improve the quality of products. Slip gauges are crucial for advancing technology and industry.